Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we update you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. We can't kill the child, says Supreme Court while asking woman to reconsider her decision to abort pregnancy at 26 weeks. West Bengal Governor invites CM Mamata Banerjee to Raj Bhawan for talks on appointment of VCs after Supreme Court directs Governor and CM to resolve issues over a cup of coffee. AAP MP Sanjay Singh approaches Delhi High Court challenging his arrest and remand by ED. Gujarat High Court directs CBFC to decide on removal of casteist slur in movie Guthlee Ladoo. POCSO court sentences 55-year-old man for life for repeatedly raping his minor daughter. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. A bench of the Supreme Court comprising the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra, asked a 26-week pregnant woman to reconsider her decision to terminate her pregnancy due to an ethical dilemma about the abortion at this stage amounting to feticide. The bench questioned the woman as to what she was doing till now, while stating that under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, the woman has a right, but equally, we must be conscious of the fact that whatever is done will affect the right of the unborn child. Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati appeared for the centre and opposed the abortion, saying that according to the law, the 24-week deadline to allow abortion can only be breached under exceptional circumstances, and going against the medical opinion is very difficult and chaotic for the country. ASG Bhati further said that the right to abortion is not absolute, as it is unethical to terminate pregnancy. The matter came before the 3-judge bench after a 2-judge bench of the Apex Court, comprising of 2 women judges, Justice Hema Kohli and Justice B.V. Nagaratna, had delivered a split verdict in the matter on October 11th. Interestingly, the split verdict came after the same bench allowed the abortion on October 9th. The bench differed in its order after receiving a report from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which said that the fetus is viable, meaning there is a strong possibility of its survival. The Supreme Court, while reflecting on the issue, said that if the child is delivered at this stage, there is a possibility of it being born with deformities. The court highlighted that in our country, children with special needs are not likely to be adopted, so the child will have nobody. The Women's Council said the petitioner was suffering from depression and is unable to take care of her own 2 children. Her children are being looked after by her mother-in-law. The council argued that if the abortion is disallowed, 2 lives will be spoiled. West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has invited the Chief Minister of the state, Mamata Banerjee, to Raj Bhawan to hold talks and resolve the ongoing tussle on the appointment of vice-chancellors at different universities across the state. Governor Bose wrote to Banerjee after the Supreme Court intervened and on October 6th said that there is a need for reconciliation between the governor and the CM in the interest of educational institutions and future of lakhs of students. A bench of Justice Suryakant and Justice Dipankar Datta, while hearing an appeal filed by the West Bengal government, opposing an order of the Calcutta High Court dated June 28th that upheld the authority of the orders issued by the governor appointing interim vice-chancellors in 11 state-run universities, said that the governor and CM should sit for a cup of coffee to resolve the deadlock in the matter. On September 15th, the Apex Court decided that it would set up a search committee for the appointment of vice-chancellors, and soon after, on September 25th, the top court sought names of eminent personalities, including administrators, educationists, jurists, for setting up the search committee that will be authorized to shortlist and appoint VCs in state-run universities. Aam Aadmi Party leader and Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh today approached the Delhi High Court in the liquor policy scam case, challenging his arrest and remand by the Enforcement Directorate. Singh was arrested by ED on October 4th in a money laundering case, in which the former Deputy CM of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, is also an accused. The case against Singh was made out after an accused in the same case, Dinesh Arora, turned approver for ED and told the authorities that Singh received a bribe of Rs 2 crores at his residence on 2 occasions, in relation to the case in which irregularities were committed while modifying the Delhi excise policy, and undue favours were extended to licence holders. The matter was placed before a bench of Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Sanjeev Narula for urgent hearing, which was allowed by the High Court. The Gujarat High Court has directed the Central Board of Film Certification to take a call on whether an alleged casteist slur in the Hindi movie Guthlee Ladoo be removed. The movie, which is scheduled for release today, allegedly uses offensive terms for the Valmiki community. The petitioner alleged that the term used in the movie is prohibited under the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act and hurts the sentiments of the particular community. Justice Vaibhavi Nanavati issued an order asking the CBFC to decide on the issue within 24 hours. The court asked CBFC to exercise the powers under Section 6 of the Cinematograph Act of 1952 to deal with the matter. A Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Special Court in Rajasthan's Kota sentenced a 55-year-old man to life imprisonment for repeatedly raping his minor daughter. The court called the crime the most shameful to humanity, while sentencing the guilty father to imprisonment for life till his last breath. The survivor, who is now 21 years old and a national level athlete, accused her father of raping her repeatedly since she was 14 years old. In her statements, she states that her father raped her by threatening to divorce her mother if she did not accede. The court wished the survivor best for her future and quoted an instance from Ramcharitmanas, where Bali forcefully took his brother's wife. The judge said, when he was being killed, Bali questioned Lord Ram about the act. Lord Ram replied that younger brother's wife, sister, son's wife and daughter are all equal, and there is no sin in killing a person who wrongs any of the four. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.